Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we visit a Muncaster castle and Egremont castle. And if you are new here, consider to subscribing. So if you're ready, let's go. What happened last time? Well, basically, when I went to get the ferry, I waited about an hour to get the ferry. So when I was already on the mainland, it was too late to go to the Muncaster castle. So I just went home. Muncaster castle. Intact medieval castle and privately owned by Pennington family for more than 800 years. Muncaster estate was granted to Alan de Pennington in 1208. The oldest part of the castle include the Great Hall and a 14th century peel tower, a type of watchtower fortification unique to the English-Scottish border region. I just finished the tour inside the castle. They told me I can't take any pictures or even video. So yeah, so I only can go around the castle and show you how the castles look like. It's very beautiful. So if you are nearby Muncaster, you can come in and check it out. After the Battle of Taunton in 1461, according to tradition, Henry VI fled to Muncaster Castle, where Sir John Pennington sheltered him. Henry gave Sir John a glass drinking bowl in the hope that they should prosper, so long as they remained unbroken. The glass, that drinking bowl, is still in the castle. When I was inside, I saw it. So it's basically just imagine a bowl for the soup, and then there is some cover on it. So imagine from around 14th, 15th century, still there. So that bowl is called Luck of Muncaster. There is one room in the castle which one is reported to be haunted by wicked jester. So I went inside, but yeah, I haven't seen any ghosts inside. I just finished there was a show, like a bird show, like falcons, owls, other birds, like that. It was flying, very interesting.
And this is why you find barn owls and other pellet shape. Here he comes, wish all the way down. Fantastic. That was Harry, our lovely Stephanie. Thank you very much. We've got the African mountain today, we've got the African sunshine even. So let's sit back and just enjoy your
So we are on Egremont Castle, and it's kind of very like a small castle ruins. So let's take a look. The original castle was built on a mound above the river Echen, on the site of Danish fort, following the conquest of Cumberland in 1092 by William II of England. The present castle was built by William de Moskines, who founded the castle between 1120 and 1135. The castle provided protection for the town, which William also created. The castle fell into disrepair and eventually decayed by the early 1500s. That's it for today. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. It will help me a lot. And also, if you are new here and you want to see new places, or maybe you're interested about the castles, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any video from me. That being said, thank you for watching, and I see you later.